Welcome to Piano and Voice with Brenda. I'm Brenda Earle Stokes, and I'm so glad you've discovered my YouTube channel. I'm a singer, pianist, songwriter, and educator with over 30 years of experience. When I'm not performing or recording, I'm hard at work teaching students one-on-one, creating effective educational resources, and developing tutorials and courses that serve for folks all over the globe. I have a very diverse and eclectic background as a musician. My initial training was in classical piano, but both my undergrad and master's degrees are in jazz piano. I have had the great pleasure of working in pretty much every field of music, including sing-along piano bars, rock bands, working as a classical choral conductor, early childhood educator, and headliner and side person at jazz festivals and clubs. I've also studied vocal pedagogy at a very advanced level and am able to translate voice science into exercises that help to develop and strengthen people's vocal abilities. So I'm here for some piano, for some musicianship, music theory, voice, a little bit of everything. I've used this broad education and experience to develop teaching methods that have helped hundreds of folks to become the musicians they have dreamed of being. My YouTube channel right here, Piano and Voice with Brenda, has a wide range of resources that have helped thousands and thousands of folks around the world to develop new skills, to answer burning questions, and help them have more success and fun singing and playing. If you're wanting to dive deeper than just my YouTube channel, then you should check out my online membership, The Versatile Musician, which boasts an incredible collection of full-length courses in piano skills, musicianship, ear training, jazz, pop, and much, much more. I also offer one-on-one piano and voice lessons in my cozy studio here in Manhattan in New York City and worldwide through Zoom and Google Meet with my state-of-the-art equipment. Thank you so much for checking out Piano and Voice with Brenda. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up for some of my many free resources. We'll see you soon and happy practicing.